Understanding Missing the Mark in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase, missing the mark. This phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in both speaking and understanding English more naturally. So, let's dive in and decode its meaning and usage together. Missing the mark is an idiomatic expression in English. It means failing to achieve a goal or objective, or not reaching the expected standard. This phrase often implies an attempt was made, but it wasn't quite successful. It can be used in different situations, ranging from everyday activities to professional goals. The phrase, missing the mark, has its roots in archery. In this context, the mark refers to the target that archers aim to hit. When an archer misses the target, they are literally missing the mark. Over time, this literal meaning has evolved into a metaphorical one, used in various contexts to indicate a miss or failure. 1. Workplace. The new marketing campaign missed the mark, resulting in lower sales than expected. 2. Personal goals. I aim to read 20 books this year, but I missed the mark and only read 15. 3. Feedback. Your essay misses the mark on addressing the main question of the assignment. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to different scenarios, highlighting its versatility in the English language. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For example, falling short, not quite reaching a standard or expectation. Off the mark, being incorrect or inaccurate about something. Understanding these can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, missing the mark. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that it aids in your journey of mastering English. Remember, language learning is all about practice and exposure, so don't worry if you miss the mark sometimes. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and happy learning!